Some budget tourists avoid visiting the United States because they feel there are no inexpensive spots to visit in the country. But this is simply not true. It only requires you to travel wisely. Staying domestic and stretching your money as far as it will go by organizing visits to inexpensive sites in the United States is one simple method to tackle budget travel. So let's take a look at the 10 best budget vacations in the U.S. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Many historical monuments, brewery tours, mouth-watering cuisines, and other attractions may be found in the city of brotherly love. The friendly natives, excellent public transportation, affordable and safe lodging options, and plenty of free activities make Philadelphia one of the greatest single travel locations in the USA. Philadelphia's restaurants are reasonably priced if you don't drink. Get a one-day Independence Pass to ride any bus, trolley, subway, or train while you're in Philadelphia. It costs just $11 per person or $28 per family. Number 9. Charleston, South Carolina. One of the greatest destinations in the USA for a romantic trip in Charleston, which is inexpensive. Beautiful waterfront parks, piers, adjacent barrier islands, and several museums with free entry are all available to tourists of Charleston. If you're willing to remain outside the city limits, you may get a hotel room for a very low price with free breakfast, even during the busy summer months. Charleston's CARTA bus system offers affordable transportation options. Visit the beach if you're seeking free activities in Charleston. With a fantastic view of the Atlantic Ocean, have a peaceful vacation at Folly Beach. Number 8. San Antonio, Texas. The ideal fusion of American history and Mexican culture makes San Antonio one of the most vibrant tourist attractions in the USA. One of the least expensive. The 18th century Alamo Mission, which is well preserved and open to the public as a living history museum, is the city's most famous landmark. Numerous free or inexpensive activities are available to tourists on a tight budget in San Antonio. San Antonio won't let you down whether you're a history nut or a foodie. Used via Metropolitan Transit, the least expensive way to get across San Antonio once you've arrived. Number 7. Salt Lake City, Utah. The international headquarters of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints is located in Salt Lake City, one of the top fall vacation spots in the United States. Its historic Temple Square provides a wide range of historical visitor attractions that are free. You may save money when traversing the city due to the Utah Transit Authority's low-cost transportation system. The biggest feature about it as a travel destination, though, is how many of its museums, gardens, and top attractions are free. Number 6. Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix is one of the USA's most affordable travel destinations. It is not just the state capital, but also one of Arizona's top tourist destinations. This cultural center of Arizona is well known for its hot, muggy, and desert-like atmosphere. The abundance of free activities further contributes to its appeal as a tourism destination. Just be careful not to travel during the hottest part of the summer in this city. One of the biggest collections of desert plants may be seen in the Desert Botanical Garden. Number 5. Tucson, Arizona. Tucson is located in the desert region to the north of the U.S.-Mexico border and is greatly impacted by it. It is an excellent destination for budget travelers in the United States. The locals are quite nice. The food is delicious. And there are several unique sites just waiting to be discovered. There is no shortage of fantastic things to do in Tucson, from hiking a picturesque route to admiring the magnificent architecture. Number 4. Daytona, Florida. If you appreciate the beach, Daytona might be a terrific destination to stop and enjoy on a budget. Daytona is less pricey than other expensive places in the United States. Daytona Beach boasts almost 23 miles of sandy beaches where you may spend your family vacation. Daytona is not only an affordable area in Florida, but also one of the cheapest places to vacation in the United States, due to an abundance of free things to do and moderate hotels and restaurants. Number 3. Raleigh, North Carolina. Inexpensive family holidays in the USA might be challenging, but Raleigh has a wide choice of affordable local events, activities, and entertainment opportunities. A budget trip to Raleigh is accessible to everyone. One of the least expensive travel locations in the U.S. in Raleigh, thanks to its inexpensive hotels, dining options, and low taxes. Enjoy a day at Triangle Lakes, which is home to two sizable lakes, Falls Lake and Jordan Lake west of Apex. Both locals and visitors from abroad enjoy visiting this location. Number 2. New Orleans, Louisiana. There's no need to worry if you want to have a good time in New Orleans, but don't want to take out your wallet. There are several affordable methods to tour the city. One of the most romantic things a couple can do in this city is taking a stroll along the Mississippi River. Family picnics are wonderful at this striking city icon. One of the nicest things to do in New Orleans is to explore the French Quarter and Garden District. One of the most photographed locations, it has a variety of local eateries, museums, and antique shops. Number 1. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Traveling to American cities may be costly, but if you're planning a trip to Albuquerque, you're in luck. Many tourists believe it to be one of the most affordable spots to visit in the United States. Albuquerque has a variety of museums and gallery tours, as well as Native American culture and historic Old Town. Exploring the incredible museums in Albuquerque may be the finest free thing to do. The Harvey House Museum is a great place to learn about railroad history. The Maxwell Museum of Anthropology, on the other hand, will help you understand how the desert terrain has influenced the way people live in the area. So, guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below, and if you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.